Hello everyone. This course prepares you with the skills to automate API testing using Python and behavior driven development frameworks. In this course, what you will learn, we will see uh, first of all, you will learn about API testing fundamentals, where you can grasp the core concept of API testing, its importance, and different testing techniques. Second, you will learn about Python for API automation. You can be a master the Python programming language and libraries like request to craft powerful API testing scripts. Third, you will learn about BDD frameworks. You can uncover the BDD approach to testing and explore popular BDD frameworks like Behave to write clear, readable, and maintainable test cases. Then you can learn about building a robust test suite, which will help you to design and implement a comprehensive API test suites using Python and BDD frameworks, which will covering your basic functionality. It will make your test suite more secure, and you can cover performance aspects as well. Then you can learn about advanced techniques like handling complex scenarios related to database interaction, dynamic payloads, and server communications. After learning this points, you will get a benefits like you can boost your efficiency in the testing, like you can automate repetitive API testing tasks and you can save lot of time and resources. You will see your improved quality in your testing results. You can be ensure about API behavior throughout comprehensive testing. You will make the you can be a more productive. You can enhance your collaboration by writing a clear and precise test cases using BDD, and you can have a better communication between other testers and developers to understand the API concepts in a better way. And you will get in demand skills. Yeah, you can be a master sought after skills in API automation and BDD frameworks. You can be a valuable asset in software development field. This course is ideal for testers, developers, and whoever is interested in the testing field. Professional looking to enhance their Python programming skills for backend, also they can also enroll in this course. And anyone who is interested in learning BDD framework for clear and better understanding, they can also participate in this course. Thank you.